Hello, and welcome to the InfoZoom video series. My name is Stephen Pesklow. I'm president of Software Solutions. And what I'd like to talk about today is transforming, or what we call normalizing, a name. Why would we want to do this? There's a lot of different business reasons why. Maybe to compare whether employees are set up as vendors in your systems, so you want to match the two names together. Maybe we want to look at employee records for investigations where we want to merge and join two different files together. But in one file, maybe the name is one format and a name is a different format, another file. And then also for overall data quality analysis. So in this example, what I'm going to show you is we're going to have a data file which has last name, first name, and some middle names. Not all, but some. And what we want to do is we want to transform these into a first name, last name format. So the process is really easy. It's really just open up the InfoZoom template that we provide, Software Solutions for free, and then also then you import your data. So to do this, what you do is you just bring up the template, and then you double click on the template to open up this template. Now there's really only one attribute. It's name. This is the name that you're gonna bring in from your file, and the formatted name is what the template is going to provide as output. So to open up the data, just go under Data, File, and then bring in your data. So in this case, I have some dummy data for name. It's going to bring you through the normal import process, in this case for an Excel file. We have another video that describes how to do this. You just go ahead and bring it all in. Now here's the name. I could only bring in this one single name that I want to bring in, but in this case I want to bring in all the data because I might want to do further analysis on that data. So hit finish, and then what happens is it brings in your data using a mapping field. So now InfoZoom is really good about matching, or what we call mapping, the different fields. So here there's name is my source file, name in my templates, and here it is the match. So in this case, InfoZoom picked correctly. Just want to verify that it is correct. In this case, it is. So then I append my data, and you can see here that 20 objects were then inserted or added. Hit OK, and then that's it. You can see here, this is the original data, and you can see there's a lot of bad quality data. So here there's some Steve Arch, and you can see that the first four letters are large. But then if you go over here, you can then see that Steve has been transformed, both from a data quality perspective, but then also the first name is first, last name is last. Also, it does things like here's Travis, for example, is correctly Travis Cheek, but then also Michael has been removed. So it not only corrects data quality issues, but then also transforms or transposes these two first name, last name. You can notice that the other attributes that came along in the file are also added as a group called new attributes. But then also you can see there's nothing really surprise what we're doing with this template. You can see all the attributes that are used to create our final output of formatted name. So if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd love to help. Do subscribe to our video channel for any additional videos that we do publish. Otherwise, good luck with your InfoZoom analysis. Thanks.